Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to be replacing this cheap aftermarket gas cap with this Nissan cap. This will last longer and I won't have to worry about intermittent lights on the dash telling me something is wrong with the cap. First, I'm going to cut the zip tie right here. Honestly, I'm not even sure why this is there. Once that is out of the way, I remove the packaging from the new cap so I can immediately put it on after removing the old cap. Then I unscrewed the old aftermarket gas cap and disposed of it. Finally, I screwed in the new cap. If you are using an aftermarket cap, I suggest you go buy a Nissan cap and replace it. It will annoy you if the light keeps coming on even though the cap is on correctly and tight. Now if you're wondering where the harness connects to, there's this little hole on the hinge of the gas door that it plugs into. Just like that. Now if you remove the cap to fill with gas, the cap will be able to hang there and you won't have to worry about putting it on your roof or trunk and then driving off and the cap falling on the ground without you knowing because you forgot to plug it back in. Let me know in the comments if you had an issue with an aftermarket cap in the past or are experiencing issues right now. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.